Hi, kids. Today, we're going to school together. Let's learn how to speak English in the classroom. Are you ready? Let's go.
Good morning.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Let's go to class.
Please sit down.
Okay.
Take out your pencil.
I'm ready.
Let's start the lesson.
Yay. I love English.
Now let's switch roles. You be the teacher, and Mom will be the student. Hello, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Let's learn English today.
Yes, teacher. I'm ready.
You're doing great. Great job today, everyone. Now you can speak English at school. Let's review. Good morning. Take out your pencil. Let's start the lesson.
I love English.
You're doing great. See you next time at Little English Café.